Oh. Yeah. And here's a table cycle of Why Do Fools Fall in Love? And was premiered on December 20th, 1998. So, yeah. Okay. Let's get this back and started here.
Video, the Warner Brothers 75th anniversary celebration offers you the opportunity to take home superstars.
You mean like who?
Yeah, like me.
All at collectively low prices.
Looking forward to it.
Okay. For starters, choose from Academy Award winner Kim Basinger, heading the acclaimed ensemble of L.A. Confidential. Extra edition, featuring a bonus behind-the-scenes documentary.
There's no telling where this is going to go.
Also newly priced to own, Denzel Washington in Fallen, Kevin Spacey and John Cusack in Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil, and Kevin Costner in The Postman. We are also serving up special editions of John Wayne in The Searchers.
That'll be the day.
Robert Preston and Shirley Jones in Meredith Wilson's The Music Man. Both special editions are newly restored and feature fascinating behind-the-scenes documentaries and other extras. And our Warner Brothers Classics brand welcomes Henry Fonda and Jack Lemmon in Mr. Roberts. Oh, fire! Gary Cooper in William Wyler's masterpiece, Friendly Persuasion. And Natalie Wood and Rosalind Russell in Gypsy.
Is that good or bad?
Oh, it's good.
All in sparkling restorations with bonus material from the vaults that fans will treasure. And top it off with a lethal trio. The Lethal Weapon Director's Cuts with never-before-seen outtakes reintegrated into the first 3 smash hits. Warner Brothers box office superstars. Take them home where you buy videos.
Now is a good time to grab me.
Timeless entertainment at new low prices. Available only from Warner Home Video.
They're moving up. They're promoting you. Captain Reeves.
Captain Murtaugh.
And settling down.
We never talked about marriage.
You want to get married?
But old habits.
Think you can stay out of trouble?
Yeah, absolutely. Are hard to break. Lethal Weapon 4 is the best yet. More action. More laughs. More thrills. Mel Gibson, Danny Glover, Joe Pesci, Rene Russo, and Chris Rock. Lethal Weapon 4, a Richard Donner film. Oh, baby!
When hostage situations explode, they call in police negotiator Chris Sabian.
As of right now, all decisions go through me.
But this time, he's facing one of his own.
There's some bad cops among us.
A police negotiator who needs his help.
I'm just doing this to prove my innocence.
Academy Award nominee Samuel L. Jackson.
You are not in control!
Academy Award winner Kevin Spacey.
I'm surrounded by a room of people who want to kill him.
I wonder why that is.
The Negotiator.
To stop a madman on a mission of destruction,
Millions will die, they'll drown, burn.
you need a lady who's lethal.
What did you have in mind? Nothing too messy, I hope.
And a hero
John Steed.
in a hat.
You'll pay for that.
Ray Fiennes, Uma Thurman, and Sean Connery.
This is merely the beginning.
Chief, The Avengers. He was a fugitive from justice.
I've got a gun. Not here, but I got one.
She was the woman who protected him.
You hang out with me, you're gonna get hurt.
Their chance encounter became an invitation
I feel like I'm flying.
to passion. Wrongfully accused.
You got 2 quarters? I'm out. Here, go crazy. Is it me? It's me! I just won $436,000 and 50 cents!
They were my quarters.
You think he should give you money?
She gave me half the money.
I was the one playing the machine.
Don't you give him a penny.
You'd be crazy if you do.
He gets nothing!
From Larry David, the co-creator of Seinfeld, Sour Grapes.
He owes you 50 cents. That's it.
Okay, let's get started.
5 young women have vanished from cities all across Texas in the last 14 months. In a twisted game of murder, there is the hunter.
He'll leave us more clues as he leaves us more bodies.
And his prey.
She's in a dark room, bound and gagged. We are her only hope.
One detective is getting close.
You know it's him. How far do you want to take this?
Too close.
Where are you?
I'm in his house.
Kelly McGillis, David Keith, and Bruce Dern. When the bow breaks to perfect prey. Look for it on video. They were legends on stage and screen.
Frank Sinatra. Mr. D. Martin. Sammy Davis Jr., ladies and gentlemen.
Living large on fame, friendship, and power.
Life is good.
Life was a game, and they were winning.
The whole world is drunk, and we're just a cocktail of the moment, pal.
Ray Liotta, Joe Mantegna, Don Cheadle. In the film Siskel and Ebert give 2 thumbs up. The Rat Pack. Available only from HBO Home Video. Music from and inspired by the motion picture Why Do Fools Fall in Love? All new music from Melanie B featuring Missy Elliott. In Vogue, Missy Elliott and Busta Rhymes. Lil Mo, Coco, Nicole, Next. Gina Thompson featuring Mocha. Destiny's Child, Mint Condition, Total, Envy, Mr. and Little Richard. Music from and inspired by the motion picture Why Do Fools Fall in Love? In stores now.
This film is a modified Fawcett original version. It's been formatted to fit your screen. In 1955, the Foods was in music called rock and roll.
Frankie was probably the most naturally talented performer I'd ever seen. He was energetic,